What's up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? It's a beautiful day out here, February 28th in Monroe, Georgia. Good day to put some steaks and chicken out on that grill. Make sure you get the potatoes and zucchini on there as well. We got an MX-13 455 horsepower. Looks like virgin rubber on that truck. Fleet maintained truck. That's a 2017 Kenworth T680 with manual transmission. It's got 600,000 miles on it. It's got your CD player, dual air ride seats, double bunk condo. Power windows, locks and mirrors, tilt, telescope and cruise control. It's got your lane and collision mitigation system. Certified clean idle. You know, some of you guys might think I sound a little salesman-y today, but chances are I'm just a little off the chain today. Feeling right. All right, guys, happy bidding on this truck. Thank y'all for checking us out.